see that there are some English letters on the board, right? But today I'm not going to share anything about English language. Today I will focus on French language only. You know, I visited France long time ago. It was in 1990. When I visited France at that time, I did not know anything about French language, you know. Only one word I knew, that is s'il vous plaît. And after returning, I felt like learning this language because it seemed so sweet to me, you know. And I did a 3-month course from Chittagong Alliance Française in early 90s. And after a few years, I did another 3-month course from Dhaka Alliance Française. So you see, my knowledge is limited up to these 6 months course only, right? And after that, I hardly got any chance to read any French books or watch any French movies or interact with any French speakers, right? So I was not in touch for a long time, not in practice, you know. But only recently, I was responsible as a principal of a school. In that school, we introduced French language and Arabic language besides our native language Bangla and the other most commonly used international language, that is English. And I was responsible for the French language. Our idea was that to encourage children only, to give them the taste of different languages so that they feel interested to learn that language, you know, or to learn more languages other than only English and Bangla, right? So, you know, since I was not in practice, I was not in touch with the French language for a long time, I might not present my French sessions very perfectly. I will try, but I will try. Actually, what happened, you know, one of my student's sister, she requested me few days ago to help her brother to do some French homework, you know. So when I was helping the boy online, I found that he needed a bit more like a basic foundation, or he needed to learn the basic skills of French language, you know. And he is not like much comfortable, he does not feel comfortable to learn through internet or learn through YouTube or other channels like that, you know. So then I thought that I will make short video clips for him, and I will introduce some rules, some very basic things of French language so that he can catch up and he can proceed further. So, and I thought that at the same time I could upload these videos on the internet so that those who are learning, they're learning, it's fine, but those who are not learning, they can also feel encouraged to learn this language, right? And I will feel that it's my achievement, right? So let us start with the language today. Today I will just only read the names of the letters. You know, if you want to learn a new language, you need to learn how to read the book, how to read the words, how to write the words, right? And for that reason, the basic footing, the basic step is to learn alphabet, to learn the letters, all right? And for learning letters, we need to know the names. So let us start with the names first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We say it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You can see that the sound is almost same, right? But you remember this ash, which is H in English. Whenever you use this letter in French language, normally it remains silent. Okay, like hotel, like that. Huh? Then R, it does not sound like a normal English R. It comes from the throat, like a gargling sound. Eh, eh. You try to practice, you can get it, you know. And these are the things. And same as in English language, French language has 5 vowels: A, E, O and U. But there are various symbols or marks, you know, which indicate that the pronunciation will be different or the meaning will be different, and those are very important in French language. Gradually we will get into those, and till then be with us and try to practice it at home by yourself. And if you cannot get my lesson properly, you try to go through other internet sites and channels, try to practice more and give me the feedback that how did you like my class today. Accordingly, I can organize my next session. Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.